Okay, guys, again today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 8, ordered pairs, page 525. So prepare your books there. Now, let's start directly, guys. Now we'll start with this. We call it coordinate plane. The coordinate plane. Okay, guys. Now this thing, we call it coordinate plane. These two lines intersected by each other, and here we have right angle. They are perpendicular to each other. We call this coordinate plane. Okay. Now here we have numbers on all of these things. The horizontal one, the horizontal line, guys. This one, the horizontal line, we call it x-axis. We call it x-axis. So the horizontal line, we call it x-axis. The vertical line, we call it y-axis. Y-axis. Don't mix with that. Don't put here y-axis. No. So this is the horizontal line. We call it x-axis. The vertical line, we call it y-axis. Okay. Now, here at the middle, we have zeros. This point, we call it the origin. The origin. This point at the middle, the intersection point between the x-axis and the y-axis, we call it the origin. Okay. Now, in this side of the x-axis, we have positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go on. And here we have negative numbers, but I think you didn't take negative numbers yet. But for you, just to be know, this is -1, -2, -3, -4. We will not use it in this lesson, but we will use it later. Here also up, we have positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can go forever. Down here also we have negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4. But as I told you, we won't use the negative parts because you didn't take the negative numbers first, but just to you know, we will use this thing only, positive numbers. So here we have x-axis and here we have y-axis, okay? And at the middle here, we have the origin, Now we have a new thing, we call it ordered, which is your title, ordered pair. Ordered pair. What's the ordered pair, guys? It's two brackets like this, two brackets, and a comma at the middle, okay? And here we have two numbers, like for example, 5 and 4, for example, okay? Now, 5 and 4, this we call it ordered pair, guys. Focus with me to understand the ordered pair. The ordered pair here, okay, contains two numbers with a bracket and a comma between them. The first number always for x. The first number always for x. The second number always for y. The second number always for y. So what's the ordered pair, guys? Two numbers with a comma and brackets. Together, we call it ordered pair. The first number always for x. The second number always for y. Like, for example, when I say the ordered pair 1 and 3. 1 is x, 3 is y, okay? Now, how we graph the point on the coordinate plane? How we graph the point on the coordinate plane? Let's graph this point first. I will call it point A. Let's graph this point on the coordinate plane here. Now, 5 and 4, the first x and the second y. First thing, we go to the x-axis, the horizontal one, and search about the 5. Here is the x-axis and here is the 5. I put my pencil here, okay? The second number is 4. For what? For y. And y is up here. So from this 5 in X, I will go up until I have the 4 in Y, see? And I put my point. This point A. This point A. Again, how we plot or how we graph this point in the coordinate plane. This point is 5 and 4. First we go to X, then to Y. Not Y, then X. No, don't do that. First X, then Y. Okay? So first go to 5 in X-axis. Where is the X-axis? The horizontal one. So this is 5 in X-axis. The second number is Y. 4 is Y. So from 5 in X-axis, I will go up until I get the 4 in Y. Okay, then I put my point. I put my point. Now let's say plot the second point. I will call it B. I will call it B. I will call it B. Now here we have 1x and the 3 in Y. 1x and the 3 in Y. So I will go to the X-axis and search about the 1. Where is the X-axis? The horizontal one, and this is the 1. Okay, this is the 1. Now the second number is 3 for Y. So from the 1, I will go up until I get 3 in Y, see? And put my point here. This is point B. So how we plot the ordered pair on the coordinate plane, guys? First, we go to X, then we go up or down for the negatives, but you don't have negatives. Then we will go up until we get the Y, okay? Then we put our point. So, for example, let's take another example. It's 3 and 5. 3 and 5. I will call it point F, for example. What's the X here? The X is 3. And the Y is 5. Again, guys, the first number always for X, the second number always for Y. Don't mix with that. Don't put the X here and the Y here. No, this is X, this is Y. So first, I will go to X. X is how much? 3. So I will go to X-axis and point my pencil on a 3 here. The second number is 5. So here I will go up until I get 5. Then I put my point. So the point F is located here. It's easy idea. This is, we call it ordered pair. How we plot the ordered pair or how we graph the point on the coordinate plane. We go to X first, then we go up or down until we get Y. Then we put our point and we put the letter of it on the point like this. Now, I will back to the point, the origin. The origin is the intersected point here. And the ordered pair of it is 0 and 0, always. The origin is the middle point, this one. The ordered pair is 0 and 0, always. But if this point here, guys, if this point here, this point, I will call it T. Now, what's the ordered pair of T? Now, I will go to T. First, I will go to take X, then I go to take Y. Do not take Y before X. Don't do that. So here, X is 1 and Y is 2. So it is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. For example, if this point is here, I will call it, for example, M. How we find the coordinates of M? I'll go to M. First, I take X, then I take Y. Don't take Y, then X. No, this is wrong. Take X first, then Y. X for M is 4, and Y for M is 1. So here, M is 4 and 1. 4 and 1. If I want the point here, this point on the line, I will call it K, for example. What's K? What's the X for K is 4, high 4. And K is not up or down. So the Y of K is what? is what? 0, because it's on the line. So the y of k is 0. Okay? So this is how we graph the points. This is how we get the numbers from the points. This is, we call it coordinate plane. It's 2 dimensions, 2 dimensions. X-axis in the horizontal, y-axis in the vertical. It's easy one, just understand it one time and it will stay with you. Now, if you have any questions about these ideas, you can ask me. If you have any questions about these ideas, you can ask me. Yes. Start with Ahmed Hamdi.
Mister, do you hear me?
Yes.
If the number tell you get 0, 0.
This is 0, 0. The origin, we call it the origin, okay?
Or connect the origin.
This point, see it?
Yeah.
At the middle, this point, the intersected point, it is called the origin. The coordinates of it, 0 and 0, always, okay?
Okay.
Else?
Mister, why in the book we have only 2 lines? Only why you didn't have all of it?
Yeah, you have this and this, right?
Right.
Right, because you don't know or you didn't take the negative numbers yet. Later on in grade 6, for example, you will take the negatives and you will take the whole part. But in grade 5, just only take about these 2 axes here only, okay?
Okay.
Else?
Nothing.
Good. Right, Jalal.
Mister,
Yes, Jalal.
sometimes I see my brother make the same thing, but he
What?
make V, X, W, Y.
Mister, do you understand the board? Allah Yasadak.
Mister, I understand, but we will make like V, Y like this, or when we get bigger.
Make what?
Mister, in
Mr.
this,
Jalal, do you understand the ordered pair?
yes.
Do you know how we graph the ordered
I
pair on
understand
the point?
all of it.
Khalas, thank you, Habibi. I'm asking about this. If you have questions, another, I don't care. Just focus with me here.
Okay, thanks.
Adam. Adam.
Mister, I
Yes.
don't understand. I don't understand anything from from the homework.
What's the ordered pair, Yabni? Look here. The ordered pair is a brackets, 2 numbers, and a comma between them, okay?
Okay.
The first number for X. The second number for what?
Y.
Y. Here you have X, the horizontal one, and here you have Y, the vertical one, okay? Okay. Now, how we graph the point? We go to the X first, then we go to the Y. The X is how much?
The X 5.
Look here, Yabni. The X is how much?
5.
And the Y how much?
4.
So I will go from the 5 of X and go up until I get the 4 of Y and I put my point, okay?
Okay.
Now here, this ordered pair. What's this number for X or for Y?
For X.
And this number?
For Y.
So I will go to 1 in X and 3 in Y. The horizontal one is for X. The vertical one is for Y, okay?
Okay.
Now, 1 for X and 3 for Y. So I'll go from 1 for X, go up until I get the 3 of Y. Then I put my point, okay?
Okay.
Now this point at the middle, we call it the origin, and it's always 0 and 0. Got it?
Okay.
Good boy. Abdullah Ihab.
Yes, mister.
Yes, ya Abdullah.
I don't have a question.
What you want? Why you put your hand?
To answer.
Let's answer together. Yeah. All of you guys, all of you, go to page 527. Yalla nshuf. All of you go to page 527. Now we'll do the exercises together on the book. See the book?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do the exercises together, guys. يا ابني عندك بيبي انت عم بيصلي. Okay, guys, let's do the exercises on page 527. Who can solve for me the number 3? See it? Locate and name each ordered pair. A. What's the ordered pair of the point A? Who can tell me that, guys? The ordered pair of the point A. Omar Kwaider.
Yes.
يلا يا عمر.
3, 4.
3 and 4, not a 3, 4. It is a 3 and 4. This is A, guys. Sorry. This is A, right? So from A, you go down to get X and you go to the left to get Y. So it's a 3 and 4. So A, question 3, A is a 3 and 4. Type. Question 4. Who can help me with the question 4? This is question 3. Abdullah Qassam.
Yes, mister.
Yalla Abdullah. Question 4. We have
5,
the point
5.
R. Where is R?
In the
Hadi.
5x x and the
Aywa. R,
5
go to the
y.
X, it is 5. Go to the Y, it is 5. So R is what?
5, 5.
R is 5 and 5. Copy, guys. Mumtaz. Question 5. Who can help me with the question 5? Omar Samir. Question 5, we have J, 5 and, sorry, yalla. Question 5, yalla. Hello?
5 and 4.
Question 5, this is J. Let me check. It is 5 and 4. Excellent. 5 and 4. This is question 5, guys. Copy. Question 6. Muhammad Samir, Akhu.
Yes, mister.
Question 6, what we have? E, the point E. Where is E?
Three.
E on the line, guys. See it? Yalla,
Three.
what's E, mister?
3, 0.
3 and 0. Not 0 and 3, right?
Yes.
3 and 0. So question 6, the point E is a 3 and 0, like this. Don't put equal here, guys. No, don't put equal. Write it beside it directly. This is question 6. Question 7. Question 7 with Omar Kwaider, did you answer?
Yes.
طيب, Ahmed Hamdi, answer, يلا.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا Ahmed. Question 7, what we have? The point Q. See it?
Where a Q?
Up.
Okay.
Here, up.
1,
Q.
7. 1, 7. 1, 7.
1. No, not 7. It's over the 7. What we have over the 7? Here, after the 7, what we have?
What?
Yeah, mister. the blue point, see it?
Yeah, see it.
To the y, do we have a number?
No. Means 0.
But we have until 7. After the 7, what we have?
8.
8. So it is 8, not 7, right?
Right.
So it is 1 and
8.
put 8, guys, at the end here. Put 8. You can put 8. It's okay. So it is 1 and 8. So the point Q, it is 1 and 8. Do you understand it, ya Ahmad?
Yeah.
Good boy. Question 8. Ziyad.
Minister, question
Ziyad.
8. Question 8 is 0, 0.
Mumtaz. N is at the middle, guys, the intersected point.
Origin.
We call it the origin. Okay? So
Yeah,
it
origin.
is what? 0, 0. Mumtaz. N is 0 and 0. Good boy. Copy, guys. Don't leave spaces there. Now let's do down. Question 9. Question 9. The point is given. The ordered pair is given. We need to know the letter of this ordered pair. The first ordered pair is 2 and 2. 2 and 2. We need to know the letter of this. What's the letter on the? Yani we'll go here to the coordinate plane. Go 2 and 2 and see the letter here. Okay. Yalla, who can help me with the question 9? What we will do in question 9? Abdullah Ihab.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla ya Abdullah.
L.
It is what?
L.
L. Mumtaz. It is L. So right beside it, L. This 2 and 2. You go to X2 and go up to Y2, you will find L. Question 10. The ordered pair is 0 and 3. 0x and 3y. 0x and 3y. What you will do, guys, you will go to 0x here and go up to 3 in y. This is the point. What we have here? After Ziyad, we have Abdullah, we have Jalal. Yalla Jalal. Answer this question.
Yes, Minister.
Yalla, question 10, ya Jalal. Do you know it?
Yes.
What is
the
it?
0 will go to the origin. And the X.
And go
And the
up
X.
to 3.
And now count to 3. Go up to 3. It's H.
What you have?
The answer is H.
It is H. Excellent boy. It is H. This is question 10. Question 11. Question 11. Who can help me? Muhammad Ahmad Salam.
Yes, Mr. Question 11 is 1, 5. 1, 5.
1 and 5. Go from 1 to 5. What you have?
G.
G. Mumtaz. It is 1 and 5. How we do it, guys? We go from 1 here in x-axis, go up until we have 5. In the 5, you have the letter G. So the point is for G. Mumtaz. Question 12. Good boys. Excellent boys. Question 12. Ghassan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Ghassan. We have 6 and 7. What's the point?
M.
M. 6
yes.
and 7. Mumtaz. 6 and 7. How we do it, guys? We go from 6 in x-axis and go up until you have 7 here. You will find the point M. Do not go from y to x. No. Go from x to y always. So this is the point M. Mumtaz. This is question 12. Let's do question 13 now. Question 13. After Ghassan, we have Kinan Barakat.
Yes, mister. Can
يلا
you
يا
hear me?
Kinan.
It's P.
Question 13.
It's 4 and 8. It's equal P.
P, 4x, go up until you have 8. It's after the 7, right? The number
Yes.
which we added up here is 8. So it is what? P. ممتاز. 4 and 8 is P, capital P. Question 14. Question 14 with Murad.
Yes, master. C, S,
يلا,
C.
what we have? 7 and
C.
0. 7x. See it? 7x and 0 means we won't go up or
C.
down. Still on the same axis, which is C. ممتاز.
C.
So 7 and 0. Excellent boy. It is C. It is C. This is the page, guys. I think we are done with this page, okay? We are done of this page. Now, let's go to the previous page here, guys. 526. Let's solve these questions down here quickly. Yeah, who can help me here? مين ما حل معنا يلا. I want new students. Where are you? But new students, where are you? Shaman. Umran. طيب. عيسى.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عيسى. Read this question with me here. We are on page 526, guys. يلا, locate.
Okay. Locate and name the order pair of 4.A.
Where is the point A? This is the point A. See it?
in 2, 1.
The x coordinate, read under, what do we have?
The x coordinate of the order pair is 2.
ايش الاكس للA?
2.
2. ممتاز. Copy 2, guys.
The
Continue.
y
The y coordinate for A is
1.
1. ممتاز. Copy 1, guys. So the first
So
space
point
here 2
A-
and the second space is 1. So
The point A name is 1, 2.
لا.
Oh,
X
2 and
first.
2.
What's X? 2 and 1. 2 and 1, not 1 and 2. Good boy. This is question 1. Question 2 here. Who can help me? I want new students, guys. Where are you? Kinan Isam.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Kinan. Read the question 2.
Locate and name the point at 4, 3.
What's the point in 43?
4, B.
B. It is B. Move. How much on the right we will go?
4,
4. And how much on the up we will go?
3.
3, right? So the first
Yeah.
space 4, then 3. So the point is what?
B.
B. So copy B here. Excellent boy. So we did exercises, guys, 1, 2 until 14. Now let's go to the problem solving on the next page. We have problem solving here. Let's do it together. Abdullah Qassam, read. Yalla.
Yes, mister.
Yalla. In the problem solving here, read.
Use the map of the playground at the right for exercises. 15, 20.
Yeah. What is
What is located at 7, 3?
Yeah, what we have in 7 and the 3?
Swings.
Swings. In question 15, guys, we have swings. Mumtaz. Question 16. Copy, guys. Read. Right.
Write the order bar for the sandbox. 7,
What's the order pair of the sandbox?
7,
Huh?
1.
7 and 1, not 1 and 7. Mumtaz. 7 and 1. Excellent boy. Question 17.
Suppose the exardinating of the water fountain was moved to the right 1 unit. What would be the new order bar of
Where is where is the water fountain, guys? Where is the water fountain? See it? We will push it 1 unit to the right. Okay, to the right. What it will be?
2 and 1.
Mumtaz. It will be 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Okay, guys. This is the lesson for you. This is the ordered pair. This thing, guys, we call it ordered pair. Don't forget that. The first number always for X. The second number always for Y. Don't forget that. Don't put Y first, then X. No. X, then Y, not Y, then X. Don't forget that. That's all for today. Hope you understand it very well. And you do your homework. And guys, don't forget today at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. Don't forget what? The online assignment. You can do it during the whole weekend. It's up to you. Thank you so much and have a good day. Goodbye.